A Course in Miracles. Workbook for Students. Workbook Lesson 103. Review of Lessons 95 and 96. For morning and evening review. I am one self, united with my Creator. Serenity and perfect peace are mine, because I am one self, completely whole, at one with all creation and with God. Salvation comes from my one self. From my one self, whose knowledge still remains within my mind, I see God's perfect plan for my salvation perfectly fulfilled. On the hour, say, I am one self, united with my Creator. On the half hour, say, salvation comes from my one self. That's it for lesson 113. Thank you. I love you. May God bless you. See you tomorrow. Bye.